there's many ways if you want to help, but first I recommend some of these number of these books I said, at least one of these, if you read, first to know about the history of our country, especially to know the role of your regime, as you know, many of you know. And we are happy that we see this huge difference, that's uprising of the people here. But the pity point is that since Barack Obama came in power with this fake banner or empty banner of hope and change, and deceived many good people of this country, make this anti-war movement less active, very less active. It's really sad. Even during his election, I was hearing that how I looked, some of my supporters was doing campaign for this man. And I said, you has been deceived, and you should know the policy, foreign policy of CIA do not make just for 5 years. The figure never bring positive changes, and you do not be deceived by this. Anyway, but very soon now, I'm happy now they understand what I said came right. And I said, they say that how Obama's policy, foreign policy, even in some country, more dangerous than this Bush administration, the war crime. Anyway, but how you can do, you should contact these progressive parties, activists, individuals in Afghanistan, encourage them and support them. Here, to be more active, join your hands with anti-war movements, organize demonstrations, or if some honest politician, if you have, anyway, if you have, you know better, you should tell them that to, through them, pass the message to your government. Patrick Tyler says, in the world is two superpowers. One is the US government, one is the world public opinion. And she's right. You saw that you put pressure on your regime. Now they have to change this policy, but I mean that change this tactic, not policy, in different way. Continue to their barbarism, at least few thousands of the troops they withdraw. But hope you do not be deceived, continue more that they leave Afghanistan completely. Now, today is better. I'm telling especially to you. Thank you.